In a narration found in Sunan Abu Dawood, number 4031, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that a person who imitates a people is counted as one of them. All Muslims, irrespective of the strength of their faith, desire to be counted and end up with the righteous in the next world. But this narration clearly warns that a Muslim will only be considered a righteous person and end up with them if they imitate the righteous. This imitation is a practical thing, not only a declaration through words. This imitation is correctly done by fulfilling the commands of Allah, the Exalted, refraining from His prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. This will ensure they use the blessings they have been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted. Chapter 29 Al-Ankabut, verse 9.
And those who believe and do righteous deeds, we will surely admit them among the righteous.
But those who verbally declare their love for the righteous, and fail to imitate them, and instead imitate the characteristics found in hypocrites and the sinful, will be considered and judged as one of them. This does not mean they will lose their faith, but it means they will be judged as disobedient Muslims. How can a disobedient Muslim be counted as an obedient Muslim and end up with the righteous? This is only wishful thinking which has no value in Islam. Chapter 40 Ghafir, verse 58.
And not equal are the blind and the seeing, nor are those who believe and do righteous deeds and the evildoer. Little do you remember.
Finally, the main narration also indicates the importance of befriending good people, as one is influenced negatively or positively by their companions. This has been advised in a narration found in Sunan Abu Dawood, number 4833. Therefore, if one desires to imitate the righteous, they should befriend them in this world. This company and imitation will increase the love one has for the righteous. This real love unites one with their beloved in the hereafter. This has been advised in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 3688.